Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up your I-94 in advance using CBP Home app. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened this CBP Home app. I have logged in. How to create, login and configure, if you want to watch that, you can see the link in the description. I'm going to link the video where I have described that. Once you reach here, like you are gonna be as a traveler, so tap on traveler. Okay, now three options you have. Are you coming by land, air or sea? So if you are coming by land, you can tap land, air or whatever. So just for sample I select land, continue. So now it is asking what are the options available. So if you see the second option, apply for I-94 in advance, so I tap on it. So two languages are available, English and Spanish. I select English. So the conditions remain the same, that you can apply up to 7 days in advance, and this is not a guaranteed entry. Still you will be examined by the CBP officer, but yes, I-94 steps will not take like you don't have to pay over there, right? By standing in the queue, if you can pay in advance, so definitely it's going to reduce time at the border, because certain steps you will be finished in advance, and that will help you. Okay, so continue. Now you can add all the travelers, okay, that are traveling together, like where, let's say if you're going as a group like a family, so you can add all of them here. When you add traveler, it's asking would you like to scan a document. If you do yes, what it's gonna do, it's gonna scan your passport and it's gonna take the information. Okay, now you need to fill your personal details. Okay, here you need to put your visa details too. Okay. Additional details, and then you're gonna save it. Similarly you're gonna do for all of them. Tap on continue, and then right now it will not work because now not added until. Then you gotta pay, and then it will generate a receipt for you. So when you reach at the border, officer will be able to retrieve with that information, and it will help you, right? You can also apply online. I have already I mean on the website I have already created a video about that. So this is how simple it is guys, and let me know what you feel about it. Okay, and yeah, please share this video if you find it helpful, and I always welcome your comments. So anything comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to write. Even though your comment is negative, I'm gonna welcome it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.